Hello everyone, it's time for another workout. This week we're doing abs. You're gonna need a mat, a weight of your choice, and your cell phone, of course, to time yourself for 30 seconds. First, we're doing crunches. On our backs, elbows are wide, stomach is all the way in, and try to get your navel back to your spine. You're only doing this workout for 30 seconds. Keep your shoulder blades up off of the mat if you can, and exhale on the way up. So, shh. Whew, whew. I can feel it already. I can feel the six-pack. Yes! Next, we're doing Scizor Kicks. So you'll put a diamond under your lower back if you have lower back issues. Scoot it down and bring your legs straight up. Point your toes and right, left. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible. If you have issues with your hip flexors, you can put a slight bend to your knee. Otherwise, keep the legs straight. And for more of a challenge, bring your shoulder blades up off of the mat and keep your stomach engaged. And we're done. Next, we're doing boat pose crunches. Keep your chest lifted, flex your feet, and just push in and out. It's almost like you're pushing one of those machines at the gym, working your legs, but you're actually working your abs as well. Keep your chest lifted, you're exhaling, breathing. Your fingertips should be parallel towards your hips. Almost there. We're done. Next, we're doing reverse crunches. Flex your feet and press the tops of your feet into the ceiling. So your feet are flexed. Try not to bounce. I'm bouncing a little too much, but try to control it a little bit more. Better than I did. Next, we're doing right side oblique crunches for 30 seconds. This time, twist your body to whichever side. I said right side, so twist your body to the right, trying to keep both shoulder blades off of the mat and breathe. Shh, shh, shh. You can do whatever you want with that top leg. You can keep it on top folded. You can straighten it. You can just pretty much do whatever you want as long as you keep that right side of your obliques engaged. Left side obliques right away. 30 seconds on this side. We are zooming through this workout. You're already almost halfway done. Actually, we're pretty close to being halfway done here. So just keep pushing. You're almost there. Breathe. Shh. Shh. Exhale on the way up. Oh my goodness, I can feel this burn. I know you can too. All right, we're done with those. Next, we're doing sit-ups with one heavy weight. So this is whatever the weight of choice is that you have. This weight that I have is 12 pounds, but you can do 5 pounds, 8 pounds, 10 pounds, or if you don't want to do a weight at all, just bring your arms up every time. Keeping the bottoms of your feet planted into the ground. Keeping your stomach in. We're almost there, you guys. Push. Yes. Next, we're going into Russian twist for 30 seconds. Let that weight drop down on each side. So I'm doing this exercise a little bit slower for you guys so that you can see and so that you can get a feel of it, keeping the chest lifted and breathing on the way. Now, if you want more of a challenge, you can do this Russian twist double time. So it would be right, left, right, left, right, left. Or you can take it nice and slow. I'm also going a little bit slower because I am getting over a cold, but I still needed to get a good workout in. Next, we're going right into planks. This is 1 minute, so we're gonna do 30 seconds in a high plank, keeping the booty down, keeping the stomach engaged, trying to keep that navel as close to your spine as possible, and keeping the crown of your head forward, relaxing the back, shoulder blades are down the back, relaxing the neck. Holding, holding, holding. Planks are very challenging because it's just you, your mat or the ground, and your palms of your hands. All right, that was 30 seconds. We have 30 more seconds. We're going down to our forearms this time. Let me take a breath. Like I said, I'm getting over a cold, but I got this. All right, so we're going down to our forearms, keeping the booty down again, setting our timer, and just holding it. Holding this forearm plank for 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds away from a 5-minute ab workout that you just rocked. You got this. Keep going. Keep pushing. I'm right here with you. We're almost done. We're almost there. Oh my goodness. It's gonna beep. It's gonna beep in just a second. It's gonna beep. Okay, is it beeping? Is it gonna beep? Oh my gosh, is it gonna beep? Yes. We're done. 5 minutes done. Success. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you're not missing any of my videos. Bye.